Hey, welcome back to Ashtoberfest. Today's look is Jules from Euphoria. I kind of did a little spin on one of her looks. So one of her looks was the neon only, but I added some glitter and I added little rhinestones just for the true Euphoria touch. I feel like it needed it. I also made this shirt because the shirt is from the show, but the designer who makes it just doesn't sell it anymore. It's always sold out, so I just got a little crafty and made it myself. I wish I would have put the letters up higher, but you learn something new every time. Anyways, moving on, we have a giveaway today. Don't forget to enter by commenting on the photos of this Euphoria look on Instagram. You can also check out Ashtoberfest merch, as well as the emerging creator that I collabed with on this video. Her name's Victoria, and I'm absolutely obsessed with her YouTube channel. She does the cutest edits, and just wait till the end so you guys can check her out. I'm super excited to be able to collab with her. I also got to collab with my friend Shelby, who you guys may remember from many years ago. We recently reconnected, and it's just been so fun to be able to work with her on some of these Halloween looks, as well as get to do some makeup together with this look. Her look isn't included in the video, but you'll see in the photos on Instagram. So I hope you guys check them out. It's been so fun. I feel like I've said so fun too much in this video. I probably say it all the time. I think that's about it. I'll leave all the information that you need in the description box regarding the giveaway and anything else that you may need, any of the products from this look. And let's go ahead and get into this Jules inspired tutorial. Okay, starting off with foundation, I'm just using my usual foundation. I feel like she doesn't really have too much of a base on. She looks really makeup free. So just going in with my super light foundation, a tiny bit of concealer just underneath my eyes, and then adding some dimension with my bronzer, just a little bit to my cheeks, nose, and forehead. Gonna add some freckles. I feel like this just makes it look like you're not wearing that much makeup, like your skin's peeking through. Adding a little bit of blush. This one is my favorite from Dior. And then doing my brows. I feel like her look is kind of like undone with a bunch of glitter and color, so I'm going for a messy, bushy brow. Just adding a little bit of highlight because why not? I always love a good highlight. And since I'm going to be using neons today, I'm priming my lids with a really light, almost white primer. And I started to do kind of like a transition shade with this red tone from a ColourPop palette, but I ended up just going over top of it completely with a neon pigment. Just focusing the pink on the inner corner and then creating a wing with the yellow pigment. And to keep this super saturated, I'm just packing the pigment on and not blending it out. Adding a little wing, for real this time, tiny wing. And for the lower lash line, I'm also adding that primer as well as the neon yellow. Now to create some glitter tears, I'm using Lady Mercury from Lemonhead, and I'm just gonna draw glitter tears on. This is probably my favorite glitter to use when I'm doing glitter tears. So I'm just using a tiny brush and kind of dragging these down my face. I feel like it's not a Euphoria look if you don't have rhinestones, so I popped a few above my eyebrow. And for lips, I'm just doing something super natural. I'm lining them with a pink liner and then going in with Bitch Perfect from Charlotte Tilbury. And that's it. So this is the finished look for Jules. I kind of did something a little bit different. I mean, this is her makeup, the neon, but the glitter kind of isn't her thing, but I am wearing her shirt, so I feel like it pulls together. Head over to my Instagram to check out the photos that include my friend Shelby, and she did a Rue inspired look, since Jules and Rue are kind of like BFFs in Euphoria. I'm going to be linking everything about this look down below. I'm also going to link the makeup artists that work on the show Euphoria because they're so cool and they come up with the most creative looks. And they really inspired like a whole era of like rhinestone makeup here on YouTube and Instagram, so definitely check them out. Hopefully Euphoria is coming back for season 2 soon. Stay tuned for the emerging creator segment coming up next to see what Victoria created, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
Hey!
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. I love your hair.
Thank you.
So pretty. Well, thank you for taking the time to chat with me today. I'm super excited to have you on board. I love the look that you created for Euphoria.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I was just like, so when you gave like the list of things like prompts, I was like, oh man, that's so cool because I wanted to do a Euphoria look, like YouTube channel or something, and so this was like so cool. I'm actually still watching it, so.
Oh, you haven't finished it yet?
That was like one of my quarantine goals, is to like finish Euphoria, but yeah, I'm obsessed though.
Yeah. The makeup in the show is just incredible.
Yeah, I love it. It's so inspiring to like, I don't know, just being like more creative with makeup, and like, I don't know, it's so fun and like youthful.
Yeah, it really is. That's one of the big reasons I really like the show too.
Thank you so much. This is so cool.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, so, my name's Victoria. I have a YouTube channel called Differently Labeled. Same Instagram handle, just with the period in the middle. It's kind of like a take on Differently Abled. I am disabled. I use wheelchair, a manual wheelchair. And I thought it would be like a cool kind of, I don't know, punk rock kind of take on kind of taking back and what's the word I'm looking for? Subverting that kind of label. So I thought it would be fun to name my channel that. I usually do makeup, and I've started incorporating more art vlogs and kind of like studio vlogs. I'm in grad school right now at a crazy time. Great choice to go to grad school right now, Victoria. But I'm getting my MFA in painting and drawing. So that's keeping me pretty busy at the moment. But I'm still kind of trying to keep up with my YouTube channel and my Instagram, and I just want it to be a place where everyone feels beautiful and we trade tips and tricks to kind of just like, have a really cool community. And I'm super excited to be doing this with you.
Aw, thank you. Of course. I love your channel. When I was going through all the submissions and I found your channel, I started watching one of your vlogs, and I just love how you edit things. Like, you add so many cute little like graphics and things all over. It's so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, I really like it.
Sometimes we're just like, oh, why are you spending so much time? But like, it takes such a long time to edit those cute like videos, and I feel you have like such a cool vibe, and like how you've been able to curate your whole channel and your Instagram. It's just really like inspiring to me. So
thank you.
For like such a long time, so this is like really cool.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it does take a super long time to edit those. Just like the smallest little like name popping up on the screen can take you a long time. So when I saw it, I was like, wow, she really puts a ton of work into this, because it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
So you're going to grad school right now. That must be super tough during these times. Are you planning on doing like have you planned on what your career is going to be like once you graduate?
Yeah, so going to school right now is bananas. But it's definitely, I don't know, it's definitely different. I really love drawing and I love painting, so teaching right now is kind of intense, but I definitely see myself doing it in the future and kind of incorporating that more into my YouTube channel, having like painting tutorials or drawing tutorials. So yeah, no, I can definitely see myself teaching more in the future.
So how old are the kids that you teach?
I call them kids. They're definitely 18-year-olds.
Okay. Still kids.
Yeah, but they're so they're really nice and they're so encouraging to one another. So I feel like definitely at this time in the world, it's kind of just nice to kind of see that and them really encouraging each other on their drawings, and I don't know, just having, even though it's remote, having some type of community, I think is really cool to see, despite everything.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm still, okay, I'll give you like a vanilla one. Well, no, I would say I'm really scared of the dark still.
Me too.
It's still, I saw Invisible Man recently.
Mm-hmm.
It so scared me because I was just like, no way.
Yeah.
She like went out into the house and was like turning on lights. I was like, nope, I would never do that.
Yeah, I'm the same way. I'm so scared of the dark. I have to sleep with like some kind of light on.
Yeah.
I can't do, if it's pitch black, I'm like, no.
I can't do it. I went camping one time and like one time. I've been camping a couple of times, but like, I don't know, it's so like dark, like pitch black.
Yeah.
The first time I went, I was like not prepared. I was like,
It's also like you don't know what's out there.
Yeah.
I think that's more of what it is. I don't know if it's the dark or if it's more like the unknown of like what's around you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hate it. Okay, what's your favorite Halloween candy?
Oh gosh, I love mini Butterfingers.
Really?
I know they're like that's not super Halloween, but I feel like they also changed the formula of Butterfingers, and I'm a little hurt.
Did they really?
It's like it's supposed to be like healthier, which I vibe with, but like, I'm just like, it's weird.
Thanks for hanging out. I can't wait to see what else you create this year and what you do with your channel and your teaching. And thank you so much for collabing with me this year.
Thank you. This was like amazing. I really appreciate it. You're so cool. You're cool.
You're cool. I'm happy that I got to know you. So text me those Cajun recipes and I will talk to you soon.
Okay. Cool.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.